Hello guys, I just want to do an honest reviews on the bells that I just got. It's not genuine leather, but of course you can't expect genuine leather for three bells under 19 bucks, right? I won't use these for my everyday outfit at all because I know that it's gonna be hard if I do it every day, will be hard. You know, look at this. So you want to use these to stylish like one dress or maybe a skirt that needs something extra, or for those pants that are high rise. I'll say yes. Not for every day though, but it's just such a good deal. 3 different colors for these cute bells under 20 bucks. This is a steal, guys. So just try. I really love them and I can't wait to use them.